So South Africa's crackdown on people in the country illegally has even worked its way into the insurance industry. Over the years, we know that you are allowed to drive a vehicle in South Africa if you had a license from one of our neighboring countries, and even if you have a public driver permit from one of those countries, you are allowed to operate with that. Now, what happened very recently is quite interesting. We heard that the Minister of Home Affairs told us that a 15-year backlog has now been resolved in 6 months, and there's no longer a backlog at Home Affairs. So I had a very interesting claim that I saw recently, and that is that a taxi driver had an accident. The documents was collected as per normal. The driver had a driver's license from Lesotho, and the driver had a public driver permit from Lesotho. It was given to the insurance company, and the insurance company said, "That's fine, these documents are 100%. Do you just mind giving us a copy of the passport where the driver entered the country legally, and can we also have a copy of the work permit?" The owner of the taxi proceeded to say that this person doesn't have a work permit. He goes back every 3 months and come into the country with a visa, and the example was used and said, if you go to England or you go to America and you go on a holiday visa, that doesn't mean that you can work in that country. So South Africa is now exactly the same. So if you are a person from a neighboring country, make sure that your paperwork is in order. And if you are in fact a business person employing people from our neighboring countries, it's no longer just good enough to have that license. Make sure that you have the paperwork where they basically came into the country legally and that they are allowed to work while they're here. There's a difference entering the country legally, and there's a difference entering the country legally and working while you're here. Hope that helps, guys. Guys, I'm putting my email address below. Pop me a mail and I'll get you guys some quotes. And let's see if we can save you guys some money. We're getting towards the end of the year. We need some savings built up for that period over the holidays. Cheers, guys. We chat soon.